name is Hung Liu. Right now, it's at my studio in Oakland, California. Everything here in this my painting area against the wall. Oh, maybe here I take care of my brushes. I wrap them up so they all clean and flat, ready to go. Some catalogs for me to look at. I forgot what work I did 20 years ago. Wow, I did that. Just my own journey as an artist. All those plants, every single one from a friend. This is from Deborah Butterfield. I'm really concerned about time all the time. So I have all the hourglasses here. Because I was born year of the rat. Friends started sending me rats. I have a rat earrings. That's the intellectual rat. It's very delicate. Funny stuff. So cute and some so ugly. So if it's gymnastic, it will get a very low score. Look at this one. I think this one's better. Let's see.